Good day, it's Mrs. Blocks here. Flow diagram, part 1. Here's an example of 4 flow diagrams. Let us start with the first one. A flow diagram has 3 sections: the input, the rule, and the output. If you put in the input with the rule, it will give you the output. So when you put in something on a computer, you type in and then it will give you an answer. So what happens inside the computer is the rule. I've got 24 plus 76. Now that is too much or too high numbers to work with my fingers. So I go to Mrs. Blocks, doing 4 plus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You will see it is 10. Remember how to plus, eh? I carry over. So it is 1 plus 2 plus 7. And that will give me 10. So my answer here will be 100. 126 plus 76. 6 plus 6, you can do your sticks, is 12. Carry over 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 7 is 10, and 1 plus 1 is 2, so my answer will be 202. Now they gave the output going to the input. That means they are moving opposite direction. Remember, input to output, I use the plus. But when I go opposite, I do the opposite calculation. So 180, I'm going to minus with 76. But children say, but man, there's plus. I know it's plus, but I go opposite. That means I must do something else except of plus. So I must go and minus 76 with 180. I go to my scrap paper. 0 minus 6, I can't. I borrow. 10 minus 6 will be 4, and 7 minus 7 will be 0. So my answer here will be 104. And when I test it, 104 plus 76, it will give me 180. 200, opposite direction, opposite calculation. So I take my 200 and I minus it with 76. You must know all the rules of minus. I can't say 0 minus 6. I can't borrow there. I borrow at the 1. There's 1 left. 10, I borrow at the 10, 9, 10. So 10 minus 6 will give me 4, and 9 minus 7 will give me 2. So my answer will be 124. Now multiply with 6. Here was a plus. Now they can say times with 6. Okay? But when you times with 6, I always tell the learners to go and make the multiples of 6. When you times with 7, you make the multiples with 7. Multiply with 4, you make the multiples of 4. If there's a divide there, then you use the divide. Let us start and see how easy this becomes now. 5 times 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 30. So my answer will be 30. 12 times 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I go on until I have 12 fingers. So that means 12 times 6 will give me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 fingers. Again here, they start with the output going to the input, opposite direction, opposite calculation. The opposite of times is divide. Opposite of plus is minus. So 48 divide by 6. And the first step for divide is circle the closest number. Now what is the closest number to 48? Is 48. Next step for divide. How many fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So my answer will be 8. 6 divide by 6. What is the closest to 6? Is 6. It's not 6 times 6. So the answer is not 36. 6 divide by 6 equals to 1. In the next video, I'm going to explain how to work with the flow diagram with 2 little rules there. See you then. Bye-bye.